Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of taper hopper in Autodesk Inventor software, and we will generate its sheet metal flat pattern. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, we'll take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Go to 2D sketch and we will select the top plane, the exit plane. Okay. Now from here go to 2-point center rectangle and select the center point. Here first go to equal constraint and select both the edges and make them equal. Now go to dimensions and here give the dimension 755. Okay, this also will be 755 automatically. Escape. Now finish sketch. Now we will construct a new plane. For new plane, from here go to offset from plane, open the origin and select the exit plane. Now its direction is going upwards. We need a plane down, so give dimension in minus 900. Okay, and okay. Now select this plane and go to create sketch, rotate its view. Now from here select 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle over here. Same we will do with this rectangle also. Go to equal constraint, select horizontal line and select vertical line. Okay, now this is equal. Now go to dimensions. Here give the dimension as 200. Okay, now from here this point from center point will be 755 by 2. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select center point of this rectangle and select center point. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch. Now we will use loft flange command. Select the upper flange rectangle and the lower rectangle. It will make a lofted profile. Okay, this will be the final profile. From here we will give die formed and okay. Now you can see one thing which we will consider here, double click lofted flange, go to top view. From here you can see the flange is coming outside the sketch, but we want it inside, so here go to flip side. Now all the flanges will be inside the sketch, all profile will be inside the sketch and okay. Okay, now we want to make flat pattern of this. For flat pattern select this face, go to create sketch. From here take line command, select this center point and select bottom center point. Okay, now finish sketch and here select rip command and select this face which we want to rip, and the rip point will be this top point. You can see it has cut the sheet. Apply. The sheet is cut from here. The gap size will be equal to the thickness of the sheet. From here go to sheet metal defaults. The default thickness is 0.5 mm. We want to change it to 1, so uncheck this and here write 1 mm and apply. Okay, now the sheet thickness has changed. Now we will hide this sketch, we will hide, and we will hide this plane. Right click, turn off the visibility. Now to make the flat pattern of this, go to create flat pattern. It will show you the flat pattern of this hopper. Go back to folded. Now from here you can give any color. We will select here. I've taken yellow. You can take any. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a flat pattern of hopper, or to how to construct a tapered hopper in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.